Money Story Vault. Ever wondered how real people go from broke to balanced? Welcome to Money Story Vault. We will try to make this boring topic more interesting for you, as these daily hacks can save you a lot of money and can change your lifestyle in the next few months. Every week, we unlock a brand new true life money story. No fluff, no face, just results. You'll watch a barista secretly save $43,000 in 18 months. A mom of 3 crushed $28,000 of debt with one simple app. A side hustler turned $500 into a 6-figure exit. And dozens more real journeys you can copy tomorrow. Every story comes with the exact tools they used, 100% free templates, app lists, and step-by-step breakdowns, so you can start your own comeback today. If you're tired of generic finance advice, if you want bite-sized 3 to 5 minute stories that actually change your bank account, then hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your vault is waiting, from broke to balanced to unbreakable. The next story drops in 3, 2, 1. Subscribe right now and let's write your money story together. Also, join our WhatsApp channel for this awesome and exciting journey. See you inside the vault.